Goodbye, French fries.
Where'd you come from?
I
said French fries and Katie's like, huh? Well, hello everybody, welcome to Best Life and Beyond. We're back at Disneyland.
Yay! We thought we would give you guys just a little update video.
Yeah.
There's a lot of construction going on.
There is,
believe it or not, we are already getting ready for the holiday season coming through.
The next holiday season,
holiday season.
Yeah, the big one.
By November 8th, it will officially be Christmas time, so we're gonna start a series of updates to kind of get you guys going so you see what's happening for the parks. I know a lot of you are planning to come and visit during the holiday season.
Yeah, and also kind of give just an overall status report of the park this week, show you what's going on, just kind of how the crowds are, general overview of Disneyland.
Definitely.
Okay, first up here in the Town Square, Opera House has a scrim up. The artistic scrim, the photo-realistic scrim that we love. We so appreciate that, Disney. As well as the Great Moments with Mr. Lincoln sign. It looks exactly like the one that's under it. You wouldn't even know that that was a scrim if you really didn't know, if you just glanced. And it sounded like they were doing some painting there earlier. We could hear the compressors going off. So they're, you know, just doing a little upkeep on the old Opera House. I never noticed Goofy's back until he took a picture with somebody that his back is also very skeletal.
All right, we're over here at Disneyana on Main Street, and they have about 4 different pairs of the designer ears. Now keep in mind that all of these designer ears are a little more expensive than your average park ears. Those were Betsy Johnson, and these are the Shag ear hat.
Oh, they are very Shag.
I do like these. I don't wear ear hats, but out of all the designer ears and whatever they've come out with, I like the Shag ones the best, but I just wish it was ears. The Shags are $58, as well as the Betsy Johnson ears.
I've heard about this week. It was such a huge press release about these ears, but tell us about them, Katie.
So these are the Heidi Klum mini headband ears. These are $600.
That's it?
So yeah,
oh,
that's
so with
it.
With the discount, it's
it's
$2,500.
Yeah. So yeah, the reason they say though is because they have a bunch of real Swarovski crystals. I mean, I don't know. Not something I would get, but hey, if you like them, you like them. It's
cool,
great.
Cool to look at. There you go.
They are very beautiful to look at.
Yeah.
These are the Ashley Eckstein ears. These are $78. They're pretty like thick and wide. Well, I don't know if that makes sense, but
the weird thing is too that like we always used to joke that Princess Leia's hair looked like cinnamon rolls.
Yeah.
I mean, very loosely, but these actually really do look like cinnamon rolls.
Right, like just pour some frosting on it. Yeah. There you go.
If you didn't tell me these were Princess Leia, I would have said, oh, cinnamon roll ears.
Yeah.
Okay.
Which is cool, because hey, if you like cinnamon rolls, there you go.
Yeah.
So yeah, those are $78. The last pair of ears that are available here are the Kim Irvine ears, and these are also $78. Definitely interesting.
Yeah, mansion inspired. Mansion elements right there from Leota's room. Those are the floating elements, you know.
Yeah, so she was an Imagineer, and I guess she began in 1970. And then I think this is another big thing to update and note that...
Ton of mansion stuff.
Yeah, tons of Haunted Mansion.
Which I love.
Left,
it's a great mug.
I really want to get this mug.
Yeah.
So yeah, if you're looking to get stuff here, you can
all your doom buggies and your portraits of hitchhiking ghosts.
Yes, there's tons of stuff.
Door knockers. One of my favorites actually is this clock.
Yeah, it's great.
Because it's actually practical. It's not just like a prop, it actually works and you can use that in your house.
Great.
And of course the Haunted Mansion wood-carved plaque that, man, if I had the dough. And even though my favorite parade, or the best parade that is, of all time is gone, they still celebrate with awesome tumblers that light up, graphics you can buy.
There's still
the song still plays proudly in the Esplanade. That's right.
And speaking of parades, Mickey's Cavalcade is here until November 8th when the Christmas Fantasy Parade starts again.
And there's a clip of it right there. There they are coming down Main Street, doing their thing. backside of the Winky Blinky Pumpkin, top of Main Street here, Town Square. We've noticed these tall pillars with what are on top. Those are Vera lights. Those are moving effects lights for, you know, concerts, TV shows, that type of thing. Katie says that that's for Dancing with the Stars.
Yeah, somebody had told me there was something being filmed with Dancing with the Stars.
Yeah, so they might be shooting here overnight when no one's here, and that's part of their lighting rig. And
could be.
So we'll soon see what that brings us to television. But yeah, people still lining up for their Winky Blinky photos. Main Street still looking super festive in its Halloween-esque form.
And remember, Halloween is only here until November 8th.
November 8th, that's right. So we're in the heart of it right now.
Yes, we are. All right, this is Corn Chip Katie live with TMZ Live Disneyland Edition. It seems again we have found Disney IRL TV, Tony and Vanessa. They're over at the popcorn cart and they don't even see us, you guys. But this is TMZ Live. Maybe we approach them and see what's happening for the day. I don't know. Uh-oh, it seems that Tony
We've been spotted.
Vanessa hasn't seen us.
I'm like, get her.
Tony was like, come on, come on, come on, come on. I'm like, come on, you gotta scare him. You gotta do something. She's just following you guys around.
What's up, best
What's
life?
up, Disney IRL?
I'm sorry, I'm dying.
Oh, dude, it's all good. I got my iced coffee because I'm dying, being tired and thirsty. Guys, go follow Disney IRL. Check out their merch. It's coming. Yeah. What's up, Pluto? Good to see you, buddy. Yep. Quick Main Street check. Everything still looking very Halloween festive. No big changes to speak of here. But now that we get to the end of Main Street, approaching the hub, we notice some walls, some new walls, some new construction over in front of Plaza Inn here. We're thinking that it's shrinking of the planters. Like there's planters just like this over here, and we think they're just shrinking them up. They're getting all available space. Probably just enough to surround the tree, you know. But we're used to seeing these walls a lot, and more of it happening. I would almost say this is Project Stardust in continuation.
Probably. Hey, we should look at the wait times to show you what it's like on a Saturday afternoon.
Wait times board today. Not looking too bad, really.
Well, I do know as far as fast passes, let's see, it's about 2 o'clock right now on a Saturday.
What's your longest wait? You got Hyperspace at 70. You got Indy at 55. Haunted Mansion at 60.
Well, for this side, I would definitely say Hyperspace. Let's see what's happening on the other side.
Oh boy, Matterhorn at 80 minutes, topping out.
That's a popular one.
It is. Smuggler's only 40. Matterhorn just eclipsing it by double. That's amazing.
I feel like we're at a sporting event. Honestly, the way you're saying this, it was like...
This is a sporting event.
Coming in the lead.
It is very much... This is a horse race, and we're looking at the board here. We're checking the odds. What do you think, Charlie?
I think it's just like a horse race.
These sound like horse names. I'm gonna put 5 on Peter Pan's Flight. Win, place, or show, please.
Sounds like Cho's Wild Ride is out for the season.
Yeah. His mother was a mutta, and his fada was a mutta. Anyways.
In all fairness, the Matterhorn, there's only one track, right? So
there's only one track open right now. Thank you, Charlie. As part of the update, thank you very much. It's still
saying it's one track right now.
It's still one track from the Falling Rock.
The Great Rock Slide of
and
Harold was in a bad day. What's his name? Harold?
Yeah, it was Harold.
In bad mood.
Bad mood to start throwing rocks that day.
Yeah. So let's wander over there and see if that scrim is still up and how that work is going on said Matterhorn.
Okay, but on our way there, let's stop and look at the French fry rock progress.
Oh, okay, French fries. The only reason you wanted to do that was because it involves food.
I love French fries.
I get the ranch dressing.
We can't even get through right here. It just went up in front of Plaza Inn here.
Oh wow! So this wall. We just noticed that this wall like literally blocks the path. We have to go around. You can go through the. They've got it so that you can go through the dining area. Look at this little satellite path that they created to make your way around, because that way is blocked, you guys. So they've made a path, they've spread the tables out, and you can walk right through here. So don't be alarmed. Then you end up right here at the entrance to Tomorrowland by the Pasture Orbiter. Well, yeah, French fry walls.
Wow.
And they've taken the fruit trees out. Remember all the fruit trees that were in there?
No! Oh, you're right!
That's what Charlie noticed, yeah.
Oh, no!
Now, whether they put them back or not, that's another story.
Oh, I don't know, because they're clearing it out for a walkway.
They are.
So I don't see why they would put it. Oh, that makes me sad.
But look, remaining French fries over here. The last remaining portions of French fry rocks.
Goodbye, French fries.
Where'd you come from?
I
said French fries and Katie's like, huh? Where? You got some ranch dressing for those?
Goodbye,
Yeah.
French fries.
Goodbye, French fry.
I'm
Yeah.
really craving French fries.
This right here is all new floor.
Oh my gosh, I didn't even notice.
See the difference?
And this is wider, huh?
Yeah, because the French fries used to be here and then that door entry was here. We used to have to come around this.
We used to go like this.
All right, happy to report. Look at that. The Adventureland hut, the Tonga hut, so to speak, is back on the other side. Look at that. It looks like they're probably going to add more to the bottom to complete it, but it's underway, which makes a lot of people very happy. As well as the tiki torches are lit. One of them is lit. The others are not lit.
So nice, I like it.
But finally, yeah, it's getting back to its original state. We also noticed that all these shrubs, all this bamboo, it's all been shrunk down drastically. That used to be really tall and thick right there. So yeah, a lot of clearing going on right there. Yeah, you can really see in here now, which is great because they've got this little waterfall, water flowing nicely over to Jungle Cruise. Haunted Mansion Holiday, super popular obviously today. It's showing a 40-minute standby, but you got the line wrapping all through the courtyard here and headed back pretty far. Pretty big line today. I think fast passes are down to like 9 or 10 o'clock tonight, if not available at all. So just make sure to get your fast passes early for Haunted Mansion Holiday, you guys, because it books up quite early. Made our way over to Galaxy's Edge. Charlie spotted. Charlie, you're the eagle eye today, by the way.
Thank you very
He's
much.
finding all this stuff. So Rise of the Resistance is back there, and it looks like they've added to the top of that like tunnel cave portion there. Kind of blue paint. We didn't see that before. Maybe some, I don't know what that stuff is, if they're guns or something. Anyways, that we think is has been added. Not sure when. And that odd sound that you hear behind us, it's the moisture evaporator. And I think they've increased the volume and the sound effects on this thing. Sounds great.
Greetings, civilians.
All right, Fantasyland update. There's Dumbo the Flying Elephant, obviously, and then it seems pretty packed on the dark rides. Not too bad though. Over at Storybook Land, I don't know if you know this, Charlie, but there's where the French Fry Rocks got their start when they were just wee little ones before they grew up and were moved over to you know, Tomorrowland and the entrance there. That's where they breed the French Fry Rocks right there.
That's the Happy Meal version.
That's the Happy Meal. That's the Happy Meal version. There's a quick update shot of It's a Small World for you. Actually, it's for Katie. All is well here, Katie. All is well. All right, crossing into Toontown. We're getting a little bird's eye from Donald's boat over here. And look, back at the hills behind Toontown, it looks like they've started removal of some of the facade, making way for Mickey's Runaway Railway. It's very exciting, you guys. Look at that. I think work has started. I'm only hoping. I mean, what else could that be? Look at this. Whoa! Very special flyover at Disneyland. That's rare, you guys. That is rare.
Oh gosh, it was planned. Disney planned that.
Right, and that was the British, the Royal Air Force. It was their version of our like Blue Angels. I forget what they're called, but that was them, you guys. How cool was that?
I happened to look up and saw him come right over the tip of the Matterhorn.
Yeah, because you couldn't hear them until they were past us. All right, Matterhorn still with the scrim at the waterfall from the rock that fell. One track still open, making the wait time a little excessive, but they're working hard on it. They'll get it done. All right, over here at Tomorrowland, Star Tours wall. Look at this scrim. Another graphic scrim has been placed in place of the wall that is gone, I'm thinking, because the wall normally is set way back. That planter is pretty deep, so that wall that the graphic is representing is way back there. But we think that the wall's gone. So that is in place of it right now. Graphic scrim. The old People Mover entrance right there. That was the first room you entered when you boarded the ride. You'd start down there and then you'd make your way all the way around here. into that building right there. I think that was the speed tunnel, if I'm not mistaken. But it looks like they've started deconstruction of that. I'm guessing that that's what this is, because I think that wall was the backside of the speed tunnel, consequently the left side wall for the people mover. So my guess is that they've started deconstruction.
If you might consider supporting the resistance, I have no advice.
You gotta be ready, okay?
Resistance all the way.
Don't waste my time with questions.
Well, because your first order is no good.
What would I call someone who betrays the first order? A target. You may go.
Thank you.
Wow, Robert. You're not scared at all, are you?
No, I'm not.
Nice,
They
dude.
don't scare me.
Over here at Path of the Jedi at the exit of Space Mountain. Big scrims up. Not sure what they're doing. A lot of rumors, a lot of speculation, but something in the front here. They have made more space over here where these walls are. You can see over here, they've opened up this area a while back with more tables, so maybe that's what they're going to do over to this section of Path of the Jedi. We're not totally sure, but something to pay attention to. All right, well that wraps up this status report, construction update, Disneyland update for this week.
Yes, there was a lot to see. There actually is a ton of construction going on here.
Still going.
So brace yourselves, friends.
Yeah.
Project Stardust still rolling.
Oh, full effect. Yeah, absolutely.
So if you like this video, please let us know by giving us a thumbs up.
As well as giving us a subscribe. That doesn't really make any sense. As well as subscribing to this channel is what I meant to say. And hitting your bell notification so that you know when we go live and when we drop new videos.
And if you want to support our channel, you can become one of our Patreon members. I'll link all the information in the description box below.
She will, and we will see you next time on Best Life and Beyond. Bye-bye, everybody.
I love French fries.